My name is Burt Reynolds. Hello, my name is Jordan Mooney. Yo, my name is Bradley, and I'm here to say we're brewing PERC coffee on a Kalita Wave. Yeah, some say that the Kalita Wave is the most hip of all the brewing devices. It comes in many makes and models. This one is metal, and it's the bigger size. It's a flat-bottomed brewer, 3 sort of concentric holes. Super nifty special wave filters. It serves to hold the side of the filter away from the side of the brewer. Invented by the Kalita family, surprise, surprise, back in 1985 in Japan. Pretty cool. I'm going to be brewing some of my favorite coffee, the Kion Mountain. It's a natural process Ethiopia. It's very good. 20 grams, brewing a total of 330 grams of coffee. 1:16 ratio of coffee to water. So let's get started. Decanter, it's Hario, brewing scale, also Hario.
Toasted brown sugar and jammy fruit flavors.
Let's make a cup of coffee. Step 1, as always, we're gonna rinse the filter and preheat the whole brewing apparatus. A, wash the paper taste from the filter, and B, preheat the decanter and the brewing device so that we have a temperature stable brewing environment. Gentle but firm shake. 20 grams of coffee. I'm gonna do a quick shimmy shake, a nice even bed. We're gonna do just a really gentle bloom first. 40 grams of water, twice the amount of coffee that we've dosed with. I'm blooming the coffee. I'm gonna give it a little stir, shake thing. So we're gonna let this bloom for about 45 seconds. One slow, even spiral. Just like the planet. Even-ish 3 minutes. Can take the filter off, or the brewer off. Flat bottom brewers really do make the rockin' world go round. You can find the coffee you brewed today and many more delicious offerings roasted by yours truly at perkcoffee.com/shop. Go do it now. Please, I have bills to pay. My mom pays for everything. Tamp that subscribe button.